Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I'm gonna show you top tricks for beginners that you should try on this smartphone. So at first I'm gonna show you the also feature that you should enable at the first you buy this device. So at first you have to move to the settings, then open the display tab, and here open motion smoothness. So as a default you have a standard one enabled, but as you can see the screen refresh rate is up to 60 Hz. It's very low amount of hertzes in screen these days, so make sure that you enable the adaptive one. That allows your device to run in a 120 Hz, so as you can see on the graphic here, this animation, that settings moves smoother and easier like on the left. So your phone will react faster, you will feel it while watching movies, while playing games or scrolling your Instagram or something. So it's very useful to activate this feature as soon as possible on this device. Now let's move to the second awesome trick that you should know on this device. Let's talk about adaptive brightness, because it's very important. If you want that brightness adapts to area that you are in, you have to turn on the adaptive brightness. You can find it in the settings and display tab, and here activate the adaptive brightness. As you can see, my screen brightness changed because I'm in a little dark area, so the screen detects that I'm in such place, so my screen brightness turn low because of it. But if you go outside and during a day, your screen goes like this, because you can see anything during a day if your brightness is a low amount. So make sure that you enable the adaptive brightness. If you don't like this option, you can disable it and change your brightness manually every time you go outside or you are during the night. So move to the third trick, and the third trick is gonna be moving your applications into the folders. So move to the home screen, and as you can see I have a few applications here, but for example I'm not gonna use Gaming Hub as much as Play Store, and Bixby I'm gonna not use it also, so I can move this application to another application, and it will make a new folder. You can also click here and name this folder. For me it's gonna be not useful, so I can remember that these applications not works for me because I don't need to use them that often, but I use YouTube Music and Play Store a lot, so I can change the folder name to important, for example, and I have a new folder here. I can move it to the home screen and set it here. I can also hold the finger on the folder, and it allows me to once again rename it or remove it or change the size of the folder. So it's very good for managing your applications on the phone. Make sure you do it. I'm gonna remove this folder because I don't need it, and let's move to the next trick. So if you don't know how to use your smartphone in every way, you can always check the tips and user guide. If you are confused, the Samsung has a built-in guide to do it. To find this guide, you have to open the app drawer by swiping up your screen, and here you have to type tips. As you can see, the app drawer find the tips application. I don't want to allow any notifications. And as you can see here, you have a few tabs that you can check any information about it, and also on the bottom is user guide. You can read it, click the continue. I don't want to use it. And here you can change every detail of any topic that you want to check on your device, so you can always get a little knowledge about your smartphone by using this trick. But you have read a lot, but I hope you gonna like it. This trick is for beginners, of course, so don't mind if you are a Samsung user and you know what you are doing on the smartphone. That's not for you, but it's for beginners. So that's all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!